Hey Pectus Warriors, it's Riley Byrne from Pectus.com. In today's video, I want to show you guys a really effective exercise that works all the key muscle groups for pectus in one. And so I call it the Renegade Row Push-Up, and I'll demonstrate it to you now. Now, the reason I love this exercise so much is in one, it's working the four main muscle groups that when you develop, make your pectus less noticeable. And this is the chest, the back, the abs, and the obliques. And so how it works is you'll have two dumbbells on the ground and you'll hold them with your hands on the dumbbells and you'll do a push-up, okay? Now, obviously the push-up part is working the chest. And holding the dumbbells actually enables even a better range of motion on the push-up, be a different stimulus, and you'll feel your chest even more with this. So then when you come out of the push-up, you're going to be holding in that like plank push-up position, which is going to be adding core stability and working your chest a little bit there too. And then you're going to proceed to row with one arm and bring the dumbbell up to your chest. Now this unilateral row while stabilizing yourself is working your obliques, your core, your abs, and your chest on that hand down slightly. And then your back, obviously, for the one that's rowing. So you're getting back, core, chest, everything, right? Then you bring that arm down slowly and controlled, and you bring the other one up, okay? So it's unilateral. We're working our obliques, we're stabilizing with our abs, we're working our chest in the push-up through a greater range of motion than a regular push-up, and we're working with a row, okay? It is an amazing exercise. It's something you definitely should be doing. This is just one of, dozens of amazing exercises that I implement that are super efficient when it comes to training for Pectus Excavatum. The dumbbell pullover is another one that I talk about a lot that works the key muscle groups kind of all in one. And there's lots of ways that I train more efficiently, more effectively to get my clients' results faster and better, okay? So if you are interested in coaching, then now is an awesome time to sign up with the 2024 Pectus Transformation Challenge. You get my coaching for half price. You can potentially win a year free. You join a community of other Pectus warriors who are on my program, and more specifically, you get the result you want. So if you are interested, you can book a strategy call with me and you can learn more about it at fixpectus.com.